This is the FEELWORLD LUT7S. This is a pretty dope monitor here. It's high resolution, it's completely touchscreen. Tap to pull up the menu. Double tap on the side, you get another menu. All your options are here. You got your waveform, your histogram, your Vectorscope, focus assist, anamorphic mode, false colors, exposure, image flip, grid, embedded audio. You got a few customizable buttons on top over here. Dual slots for 2 batteries. This is the SDI version, so if you have an SDI camera or something like this, which is the Hollyland Mars 400S, which is an SDI wireless transmitter and receiver, so you can hook up wireless monitors and cell phones and tablets and smart devices. I already did a video on it. These things are fire! Now on the side here, you can see you have a little slot for an SD card, and I got one in there. You know why? Because you could load LUTs into this bad boy. That way you could see exactly what you're trying to shoot and how it'll look after you apply your LUTs, if you do, even if it's just a conversion LUT like C-Log to Rec 709. You load it right in here and it'll pop up. Beautiful. You got your Vectorscope, your waveform, your RGB parade. And it comes with this awesome little arm bracket that connects to the shoe of your camera, and then you lock it up like so. This sits in your camera, and then you can rotate back and forth, up and down. And if you look right here, there's actually an extra shoe, so you could side mount your microphone or a light or whatever the hell you want. All right, so let me try to hook this up to my camera, because I only have, well, could I do that? Hold on, you don't move. You stay right there. Don't you fucking move. So I'm using the Hollyland so that I could show you guys a little bit easier. This might be a little bright. Okay, so I'll try to do this on the fly. This is hard doing it on the same camera you're shooting on. But I'll turn the LUTs. Now they're off. And I have one loaded in there, and now it's on, off, on. And there's some preloaded ones, S-Logs and stuff like that. And then here are a few that I loaded it myself. The image looks phenomenal on here too. It really does. This is a really crispy, clear screen. Really nice image here. I love the fact that you can load LUTs into this. I like that it's touchscreen. I like the false colors option. I like all the waves options. Look at that. So you can go from full screen. Then you can turn on all your waves here. You got your Vectorscopes for your skin tones, RGB parade. This really is a great monitor. It comes in at a pretty good price at $369 US. I'll leave links in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. It really has everything you need and does everything you want it to do. And if you don't have a flip screen on your camera, then something like this might really be worth it to go pick up. So that's it for this one. Nice, easy video. I will leave links for both the FEELWORLD LUT7S and the Mars 400S in the description below. They both work really well together, and I will leave a link at the end screen of this video if you want to see what the Mars 400 can do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the usual stuff. Thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already. Go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time, enjoy your day, your night, and tomorrow morning. Solo.